My name is Sourav Mukherjee, and I have an event management company today. It's called 17 Events Pvt, and I'm one of the directors in the company. We're based out of Mumbai and we do corporate events. My foray into events, the way I started in events, is thanks to EMDI. I did a course way back in 2005 from Pune, and till before that, I was in a very small town called Shillong, so I had absolutely no idea about what events were. This course is what got me into the industry, and I've been in it since the last 15 years now, and done a lot of very prestigious events with some very prestigious clients, like Hindustan Lever, JP Morgan, the World Bank, to name a few. And yeah, it's been a great journey. I think I owe EMDI the place that I am in today, for sure. And I wanted to give back, which is why after so many years I've come back and as a faculty, and I'm attempting to teach some of the kids here. And it's great to see the level of enthusiasm that the kids have and talk to them about my experiences and this journey so far that I've had. Thank you.